Okay, just gonna do a quick demonstration video on how the remote start works. Someone wanted me to do one. So here's the remote. So first you press the engine and hold it for a second, let go, and then press start. And it starts up. Now this also works as like your key fob too. It'll lock and unlock the car. And it'll also work as the engine remote start. The only difference is it does not have a panic button on it. Now if you walk up to the car while it's running and you touch that button there to get into the trunk, the car will shut off. Or if you touch this button to get into the car, it'll shut off. Or if you hit the unlock button on the remote, it will shut off. Now while it's running, my DRLs aren't on because the parking brake's on because it's parked on a hill. But I'll show you here as soon as I touch the door button. See, it shuts off. Now, in order for the car to start, it has to be locked, so I can lock it. Okay, and then I'm gonna start it again. Engine, start. Now you can also shut the car off by the remote by hitting the stop and hold it. Well, hold on, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, I think you have to hit engine, maybe engine, stop. Yeah, you have to hit engine and then stop to shut the car off. It's the first I've done that. And you can also adjust the run time on the car from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. I have mine set to 30, which I know most people would think is crazy. But a lot of times it gets cold here and, you know, to get the car defrosted and stuff, I get it, you know, running for 15 minutes. I don't really worry about the gas, but I more so drive the car because I like it, not really because of the mileage it gets. Even if it got worse mileage, I'd still drive a Mirage, so. All right, just wanted to do a quick video on the remote start, and still haven't had time to get the car cleaned up again because you can see it got cold again. So, all right, I'll do some more videos here soon. Thanks.